Hello, my beautiful babies. Welcome to the channel. My name is Gigi. Let's start with a white base on all of these nails. We are going to skittle it up today. Listen to me. I did not know until recently that a set of different colored nails are called skittle nails now. Did not know that. That is, I guess I need to get more up on my nail trends because I did not know that they were being called that. We are going to make our Skittle nails different colors by using my beautiful pigment powders. These are by Dageda, Dageda. You can find them on Instagram, or at least last time I checked, they were there. I feel like I want to buy another set, even though I'm not even close to needing them yet, just to make sure I never run out because I really, really like them. But you know, it's good to try other brands as well. Maybe I don't know if there's a brand you love. Let me know in the comment section. We got to share those secrets, guys, so that we can all have beautiful nails. Now I'm doing each one its own little monochromatic situation. And so we've got a purple one. We're going to have a pink one. Here we go. We've got that pretty corally one. We had a green one. We have a blue one. So all kinds of rainbow loveliness in today's Skittle set. I really don't know why I missed that they were called Skittle nails, and I had seen it already once somewhere, and I'm like, oh, that's cute, Skittle nails. And then I heard Christine at Hollow Taco say it, and she was, remember when she was simply Nailogical? Is that still a channel, or is it all Hollow Taco now? I don't know. So what we're putting on here is some Bloomin' Gel because we are going to put some florals on top of our Skittles. So it's a floral Skittle sensation. That's the name of the video, guys. It always comes when I'm doing the voiceover. It's a floral Skittle sensation. I love that. Now, the polishes we're using now are that Phoenixy set that I bought a while back. I have to say, I like these polishes. They're very consistent. I've still not used every single color yet, but seasons are changing and a lot of those colors are about to come into vogue. So we will be trying them for sure. On each nail, we're keeping the same color flowers, but mixing up the order in which we use them just to give a little variety. As usual, there are a couple nails I absolutely cannot stop looking at. A couple that I like, and then one that I'm always like, what happened here? What happened to my art here? That seems to happen on every set I do, whether I'm wearing it or not. And it's probably just a me problem. I'm sure everybody else looks at them and thinks, no, these are good, but you know you're your own worst critic, right? So now on that first nail, we did corner partial flowers. This nail, we're going to come in with a full flower, and it is going to be a lovely 6-petal flower with these beautiful colors that are perfect for fall. So I think this set actually lends itself well to the end of summer, beginning of fall, because you've still got some summery colors in there, but there are also some really fall notes or autumn notes. Not everybody uses fall as a term for autumn. I found out recently, I don't even remember exactly what I was watching. Excuse me, frog in my throat. That not everybody associates seasons with smells the way people in America do. And I was like, what? Really? Because there are certain smells that you smell and you think, oh, that smells like fall, or that smells like Christmas time, or that smells like springtime or summertime, like rain on the sidewalk. And I heard that some people don't even perceive that smell. I don't know. I don't know about that. I love that smell, and I love the smell of fresh cut grass, even though it does make me sneeze a little bit. Well worth it. I'll take a Zyrtec and smell it because it smells great. I did. Sorry, I'm doing the draggy thing right there. Sorry, I'm just yakking over it because it's all very, very repetitive. We put down the dots. We blend the dots and drag the dots. It's like a drag marble floral. So maybe that'll be the subtitle, right? Maybe that'll be the subtitle. So anyway, just it really it it's crazy how some people don't associate that, at least to my mind, because I do associate. This is the one I don't love, guys. It's not my favorite nail. And it's fine. It's fine. It's cute and it does look like a flower. It's just not my favorite one. You know? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I also heard that some people don't have a running monologue going on in their head all the time. I wonder what that's like because I feel like I might like it. But me and my brain are always having a chit chat. Let me know in the comment section, do you have a running monologue going on inside you? Or is everything all quiet in there? Because that, I have to be honest, 100% fascinates me. Now on this one, again, I didn't do 3 colors. I feel like maybe I messed that up, right? Maybe I should have kept with the 3 color thing, especially on the nail I don't like that much. I mean, this one came out really cute. And I owe that to the blue and that creamy pinky white color. Guys, this is a fast, fun set to do. There is not a ton to it. I feel like even if you're not very arty, you could make this look really fabulous on your nails. So if you're looking for something that you could probably even do with your non-dominant hand without making a huge mess, because these flowers are a little messy. The blooming gel blooms them out. The dragging helps bring the colors together, and all of that can be done with your non-dominant hand with only a little bit of practice. So if you're looking for easy art, give this one a shot. This is our finished set. Wow, words are working for me today, guys. Sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching. You know I appreciate you so, so much. Today's video might be a little bit late, but I think we're going to make it just on time. We're going to see you next week for more awesome stuff. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.